Hello guys, so today I am gonna activate Windows 10 via a script. If you don't have genuine Windows key, then follow the procedure to accept Windows 10 on your PC. Let's get started. If you don't have a genuine Windows key, then go to the Windows Defender menu and turn up real-time protection under virus and threat protection settings. Now download activator file, link of which I already given to the description box. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Click on yes to the pop-up. You must have an active internet connection to activate the Windows. So please make sure you have the internet connection enabled in your PC. Now wait for some time and let it activate. Now you can reactivate your Windows Defender if you want. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.